Hi, and welcome back to another segment of In the Know. Today, we're taking a quick look back at CEDIA and highlighting some of the exciting new products we're launching, including Bracket 100, TrackTrim Click, and custom pockets, all proudly fabricated in Durham, New York. We spent time at CEDIA showcasing our new Bracket 100, designed specifically for Blindspace 130 by 130 pocket and compatible with Lutron's 100, 150, 300 series motors. Nobina, let's take a closer look at how it works and what makes it so unique.
Thank you so much, Tara. So here is a close-up of the Bracket 100 in action. It swivels easily into place with universal left, right, or coupled shade adjustment. Simply slide the brackets where they need to be installed, and the set screw points lock it securely in place, preventing any twisting after installation. These Lutron kits are sold in sets of 2 and includes the screws needed for installation.
Next up, our TrackTrim Click system. Let's show just how simple it is to use.
So here you'll see how the click bracket snaps effortlessly into the drapery track. These are designed specifically for your brand of track. We recommend spacing each clip approximately 9 inches apart. The next step is simply clicking the drapery track into the Blindspace TrackTrim channel. And when it's time to remove your drapery track, it's just as quick and easy.
And finally, our custom pockets, designed, fabricated, and customized right here in New York.
Yeah, custom pockets are available in any size you need, with any flange and closure configuration we offer. Just email us at blindspace@windowmodes.com or check out our YouTube video on how to order on shadepockets.com.
Whether you're focused on innovation, precision, or seamless design, these products deliver the perfect concealed solution for every shade and drapery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay in the know.